Hello, my name is Harry and today we're going to learn English in my kitchen. This is the fridge or the refrigerator. So we have a fridge or refrigerator. This is a combination, so we have the freezer at the bottom and the main refrigerator or fridge at the top. And I have some of these on the fridge. Do you know what these are called? These are called fridge magnets. I have some iconic London landmarks, the London Bridge, Big Ben. We have a red telephone booth. Do you know what this is called? This is a washing machine. It has lots of different settings. So for all of your specific needs, we also have a temperature gauge. What are white goods? Well, white goods are the fridge and the washing machine. You also have things like the dishwasher. These are called white goods, even though we can see here this fridge is grey. But it's referred to as white goods because these are large appliances. It's difficult to move around very easily. Then you have brown goods. Now, brown goods can be something like a kettle, a toaster, something that you can move around easily. You have a microwave, which is somewhere in the middle because it's difficult to move, but it's still portable, fairly portable. Can you tell me what this is? Good, this is a toaster. Can you tell me what this is? Good, this is a kettle. It's a nice, bright, vibrant red kettle. And can you tell me what this is? Yes, this is a microwave. Can you tell me what this is? This is a stove. A stove refers to the top part. And can you tell me what this is? This would be the oven. So as we can see here, the top part is the stove and the bottom part is the oven. You also have some different names. You could call this a cooker, which could refer to everything. What is this called here? This is called an extractor fan. The extractor fan can suck up all of the smells and when you are cooking, and then it expels it out of the kitchen. There are different settings here. You can also have a light, and it's very useful for when it is cold and you're cooking in the evening. Do you know what this is called? This is a water filter jug. I am pouring some water from the jug. This jug comes in really handy because in London you have a lot of extra minerals in the water, so the water is very hard and you can get a buildup of limescale. On the counter I have some of my favorite breakfast cereals. I have this Ready Brek, which is a kind of porridge. Weetabix. I like to have 2 of these in the morning. I also like some bran flakes, which is very healthy, good for your digestive system. Some Special K, high in fiber, vitamins B12, B6, vitamin D and iron. Especially the vitamin D, being in London means that you don't get much sunlight, so the vitamin D is good. And one of my favorites, crunchy nut granola with hazelnut and some chocolate. This is quite easy to eat any time of the day, so I have to eat it not as often as the other ones. I've also got some of my favorite coffee at the moment, and I like to use honey And what about yourself? Can you let me know in the comments below what cereal, what do you like to eat for breakfast? What is this called? This is a sink. This is where you wash the dishes. And over here, what is this called? This is a dish rack, and I like it so much. I love it so much because it has a little spout. So when you dry the dishes, the water drains away very quickly and it's very easy to dry. What is this? This is called a tea towel. This is a special type of tea towel. It's a microfiber tea towel, which I find is more absorbent than the traditional cotton tea towels. What is this called? This is a saute pan. Now this is different to a frying pan because it is bigger. You can see the walls of the pan are higher. So you can put more into a saute pan than a frying pan, but I like to use it for things that I like to fry as well. And what is this called? Yes, this is a frying pan. What is this called? This is a saucepan or a pot. It's very versatile. You can use it to make a lot of dishes, for example, pasta or curry. What is this called? This is a casserole pot, and it's my favorite pot. This is called a lid. It's very heavy. It's a very heavy pot. And I love it so much because it is versatile. Versatile means you can use it in many different ways. You can also put it into the oven if you want to, and it cooks food beautifully and very quickly. What are these called? These are tongs, and they're very handy for when you are turning food in the frying pan. What is this? This is a spatula. This is a silicone spatula. What is this called? Yes, this is a whisk. So when you are making eggs or baking ingredients for a cake, you can whisk the ingredients. So I really love spending time in my kitchen because there's a nice view of the garden, and so sometimes I see squirrels running about, some cats that may come to say hello, and it's a nice cozy environment. There's everything that I need, like I said, the essential white goods and also the brown goods. I haven't splashed out to buy a coffee machine or some of the other appliances. Can you tell me in the comments about your kitchen? What do you like in your kitchen? What do you have on your wish list that you may want to buy in the future? Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.